Ever pondered over the complexities of building and training AI models? Ever wondered how the likes of TensorFlow or PyTorch simplify this process? Well, today is your lucky day. We're about to break down this complex process into clear, manageable steps. To kick things off, let's think about the building blocks of AI models. They're basically a set of algorithms that are trained with a large amount of data. These algorithms learn from this data, enabling the AI to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. Step 1. Choose the right framework. TensorFlow and PyTorch reign supreme in the world of AI programming. While TensorFlow is more suitable for production models and scalability, PyTorch offers more flexibility and a more intuitive interface for active development and research. Step 2. Pre-process your data. This involves cleaning the data and converting it into a format that the AI model can understand. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. A clean, well-structured data set is the foundation of a successful AI model. Step 3. Define your model. This is where you'll decide what type of AI model to use. Will it be a simple linear regression model, or perhaps a complex neural network? The choice largely depends on the problem you're trying to solve. Step 4. Train your model. Feed your AI model the pre-processed data. The model will then learn patterns within the data. The more data you feed it, the better it will perform. Step 5. Evaluate your model. Test the model to see how well it performs on unseen data. If it's not up to scratch, you might need to revisit earlier steps and tweak your approach. Step 6. Fine-tune your model. Once you're happy with the performance, fine-tune the model. This could involve adjusting parameters, adding more data, or even changing the model structure. Step 7. Deploy your model. Once you're satisfied with your model, deploy it. This could be in a production environment, a mobile app, or even a web service. In summary, building and training AI models involves choosing the right framework, pre-processing your data, defining, training, evaluating, fine-tuning, and finally deploying your model. Remember, building an AI model is not a one-size-fits-all process. It's a journey of experimentation, trial and error, and continuous learning. The steps provided are a guide, but the specifics will depend on your unique problem and data set. So, give it a go. Dive into the world of AI programming and start building your own AI models. Who knows where this journey might take you?